New here at 4 o'clock, he survived an explosion in northwest Indiana that left him severely burned.
But a Crown Point teen is celebrating his birthday today after a dramatic recovery. WGN's Julian Cruz has that story.
Good afternoon. Doctors weren't sure if 13-year-old Jaden Mendez would survive after a gas explosion sent him flying through the air 50 feet, but the 13-year-old, with support from his community, making a remarkable recovery.
Good afternoon, Wildcats. It is now time for your Thursday afternoon prayer.
St. Mary's Catholic Community School principal Tom Ruiz in Crown Point with his teachers and students giving thanks.
It was a really heartwarming experience, just seeing the expressions on their faces.
I was just happy to see him, and he's well now.
We're trying to make it a great birthday for him and trying to help him enjoy his time here.
I got the Bengals too, Joe Burrow. These are my best buds, definitely.
So
Jaden Mendez overjoyed to be back in school after a harrowing 2 months.
I just heard a boom, and then that's it. The garage door fell, ran out, then we went to the hospital.
Mendez describing that awful December day when he was helping his dad, Jimmy, a heating and air conditioning contractor, when the gas explosion sent him to Comer Children's Hospital in Chicago.
Treatment hurt so much. It was horrible. Even hydrotherapy, I could not take the pain.
I whisper in his ear to stay strong. We're going to get through this. You're going to make it, you know, and here we are. We made it.
Thanks to an outpouring from the St. Mary's community and other communities in northwest Indiana. A GoFundMe page established to help the family deal with mounting medical costs. Jaden Mendez recovering in half the time doctors expected, but he still has to deal with grueling therapy.
Physical therapy, he has occupational therapy, so 2 different therapies, usually about an hour each, about 3 times a week.
But the family optimistic that Mendez will be able to resume his baseball. The 13-year-old, an outstanding travel pitcher.
Okay, everybody, let's have a great dismissal. We'll see you all bright and early tomorrow morning.
If you want to help the Mendez family with their medical bills, log on to our website for a link to the GoFundMe page. In Crown Point, Indiana, Julian Cruz, WGN News.